Hello, my wonderful traders. I have had a lot of questions about EXNESS social trading or the copy trading on EXNESS, if I'll put it. Now, I would like to answer all your questions in this video. But before I answer, there is a question that I will ask. And that question will actually answer all the questions that you have asked me. Some of you have written your questions in a form of comments on the videos. Others have sent me messages privately. So the question I would like to ask, which will end up answering all the other questions, is what is the difference between EXNESS social trading and copy trading of other brokers? Other brokers offer copy trading, and EXNESS is offering social trading. So what is the difference? They are almost the same, but there is slight difference. Okay? They are almost the same, but slight difference. Now, let's go straight to my profile. And even before we go to my profile, when we say copy trading, what we all understand to be copy trading is that you will link your account to a master. And then whenever a master takes a trade on his personal account, that account or that trade will automatically reflect on your account. So if the master makes maybe $10 as profit, you will also make $10 as profit. If the master should lose $10, you will also lose $10 on your account. That is what we know as copy trading. And that is true. That is copy trading that most of the brokers are offering. But EXNESS social trading is a bit different. It is not the same. Now, EXNESS social trading is just like shares, buying shares in a company. And in case maybe you have no idea about that subject, let me explain a bit. Let's say I have a company that I want to open. I have an idea. I want to open a company. And I need $1,000 to set up that company. But I don't have the whole $1,000. I have maybe only $300. So I need about $700 to add up. So if I decide to float my shares and say that, okay, I need investors to come in and then contribute the remaining $700 that I need to add up to my $300 to set up the company. If you decide to give me maybe $50, another person $100, another person $150, another person $200, another person $300 in that order, and then I end up getting the $700 to add up to my $300 to open the company. What it means is that whatever profit the company is going to make, I am going to share that profit amongst all the investors according to how much they all contributed or invested. So the one who invested $100 is going to get something better than the one who invested maybe $50. The one who also invested $200 is going to get a commission or a profit which will be more than the one who invested $100. You get it? So the profit will be shared among the investors according to how much each of them invested. The same as a loss. If the company should make a loss, the loss is going to be shared among all the investors according to how much they all invested. That is how shares, buying of shares. So those of you who buy shares in other companies, that is how it works. It is the same idea with EXNESS social trading. So EXNESS social trading is such a way that EXNESS is saying that, okay, if you are an investor, invest in someone's strategy. You are investing in someone's strategy. You believe that this person is a profitable trader. So you are investing in his or her strategy. So whatever amount you will invest, at the end of a cycle or a duration, you are going to be given a percentage of profit according to how much you invested. That is how EXNESS trading works. It's just like shares. There is a master trader. Invest in that the master trader strategy. And whatever profit the master trader is going to make, a percentage of that profit is going to be given to you for investing in his strategy. So let me give you a typical example by taking you to my dashboard and show you what I mean. So for instance, this is my dashboard, okay? This is my dashboard. Now, I have created a strategy named as Leading Forex. This strategy is a private strategy. It's not a public strategy. So if you look, EXNESS has two ways of creating a strategy. They have what we call the public strategy, which can be seen by anybody at all. And then they have the private strategy, which one can only see when you give the person the link to invest. So my own at the moment is a private strategy. It's not a public one. So when you go to EXNESS Social Trading, they even have an app. Those of you who are using the EXNESS Social Trading app, when you go on the app, you see a lot of masters with their strategies. If you search for Leading Forex, you will not see us. All right? You will not see this. Maybe in the near future, I am hoping that maybe after a month, after 1 month, I will make this strategy public. But at the moment, it's private. So they have the public strategy and then the private one. If it's a public strategy, that one you can just search for maybe the strategy name, and then the strategy will pop up. Then you can copy from the person. So when you go on EXNESS Social Trading app or on their web platform, you can see a lot of masters and strategies. So you will have to decide which of them you want to copy from, right? Good. And you find out enough information about them before you take a decision. Good. So my strategy, the amount of money I am using, I have started with the strategy is here. Strategy equity is here, 667.89. I started it with $500, but at the moment it has gone into profit and I have made a total of 667.89. I started with $500. Good. Now, investors, I have about 30 investors right now. These 30 investors that I have, each of them, or in total, they have invested $3,026. 30 investors have invested $3,026 in my strategy. So what it means is that if I make any profit, whatever profit I will make, for instance, last week, I made $105 as profit. So the $105 is going to be shared among, if you remember last week, it was only 10 people that were copying from me last week. So within this week, about 20 people have also started copying. So last week, the $105 that I made was going to be shared among only 10 people, according to how much each of them invested, or even when they started investing. The strategy started on the 17th of February. Maybe somebody started investing with me on the 20th. Somebody might have started investing on the 19th. So at the end of the week, whatever I make, EXNESS is going to calculate that according to everyone's amount and even when the person started copying from me. So the profit is going to be shared. So the $105 is going to be shared among the number of investors. This week, as I speak to you, today is Monday, 24th. As I speak to you, I have already made about $70 profit. Today, I have made about $70 profit. So at the end of the week, whatever profit I make, it is going to be shared among 30 investors. So assuming at the end of the week, I make maybe $200 or $300 profit, they are going to share the $200 or the $300 among the 30 investors. I am going to explain the advantages of this and then the disadvantages of this. I'm going to explain. And then also compare that to other strategies by other brokers so that you can be able to look at it and make your choice. So just like I said, this one is just like you buying shares. All right. Now, let me give you a typical example. Okay. From how much somebody made last week. So this is an investor who started his investment with me last week. At the end of the trading week, like I told you, I made $100, $105. But this trader got 17.9 $17.45, which is 16% of his investment. He invested $105 and he got 17.45 at the end of the week, which is 16% return on his investment. Now his equity is 122.45. So anytime you want to check the progress of your investment, you will go to the strategy. You are copying from Leading Forex. So when you go to the strategy, Leading Forex, you will be able to see this. This is where you can stop copying. And that is where you can see your investment, how much profit you have made, percentage-wise, your equity and the amount, everything is here. Once you have money in your wallet, which is your investment wallet, and then you put it in an investment, once you start copying, the money will move from your wallet and it will now be in the investment like this. So you now see it over here like this. You will no more see the money in your investment wallet. The only time you can see the money back in your investment wallet is when you click on stop copying. When you click on stop copying, then the money can come back into your investment wallet. But in case you don't want to stop copying, but you want to make withdrawal, when you make withdrawal the money will go to your investment wallet. So the only time you will see, assuming you want to withdraw the $17.45, which is the profit you have made, you want to withdraw it into your wallet, which is your investment wallet. Once you make this withdrawal, it will reflect in your investment wallet. So it's either you stop copying and then the money will return to your investment wallet, or you can withdraw your profit, some of your profit, and then the profit will return to your investment wallet. And once the money is back into your investment wallet, you can withdraw. Yes, immediately the money gets into your investment wallet, you can withdraw from the EXNESS app or the EXNESS platform to your either bank account or to wherever you want to withdraw to. Now, how do you make withdrawal? Now, let me share this slide with you. To make withdrawal, take note of this. This is still on the strategy. When you go through the strategy, you will see something called billing period. Billing period. The billing period is the period in which whatever profit you have made will be sent automatically into your investment wallet. Take note of that. Somebody asked me that, what if you don't want to withdraw your profits? What will you do? If you don't want to withdraw your profit, then what it means is that whenever EXNESS sends you your profit, you may have to bring it back or reinvest that one too. Do you get it? So at the end of a billing period, EXNESS will automatically send your profits into your investment wallet. So here, the billing period is from 1st February to 1st of March, which is 1 month. At the end of every month, your investment profit will be sent into your investment wallet. So this one, as we speak, I took this screenshot today. So we have about 5 days remaining. In 5 days' time, all those of you who have invested, the 30 of you who have invested so far, will receive your profit in your investment wallet. It is automatic. It will be sent into your investment wallet by EXNESS. Then if you want to withdraw it, you can now withdraw it into wherever account you want to withdraw it to. So take note. So the billing period will tell you when you will receive your next profit. Is this okay? So anytime if you want to check when you will receive your next profit, please make sure you check the billing period. It will help you to know. So this one is from 1st February to 1st of March. So you will receive it. So in 5 days' time, your profit will be sent into your investment wallet. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this EXNESS social trading? The disadvantage is that because their investment is just like shares, you may not be able to make big profits at a time. You will be making compounding profits, which is more safer if you are looking at the advantages. That is more safer, and I'll explain why it is more safer. The reason it is more safer is because you are only giving part of the profit, or part of the profit shared among all of you is given to you. The same way when a loss occurs at the side of the master, it's only part of the loss you will receive and not the total loss. So the good thing is that, like I showed you, I started with $500. Let me go back there. I think it's very important to use that place to explain this. I want to make this video once and for all so that the questions will be over. See, at the moment, the amount people have invested is more than how much I have. The investors have $3,026 and I have only 665 or 67, 667 in my account. So if I should lose the whole 667 in my account, this whole 667 which I will lose will be shared equally among this 3,032, which is the 30 investors. So if you divide 667 among 30 people, it means you are not going to receive that huge loss. You will only receive a small portion of the loss, which is very good. So it means that you are actually not going to lose all your money. In EXNESS social trading, you only lose a small portion because you are always given a small portion of the master's profit. So the same way, if you make a loss, you are going to be given a small portion because the profit is going to be shared among you. The same way the loss is going to be shared among you. So you will not see huge losses on your account. Unlike other copy trading, where if the master lose 100, you also lose 100. If the master lose 50, you also lose 50. If the master make $100 profit, you make $100 profit. If he makes $50 profit, you make 50. Yes, that one you make it big when the strategy master makes it big. But don't forget, you will lose it also when he loses big. That is the disadvantage of the other copy tradings. But this one, the loss is going to be shared among you, the same as the profit going to be shared among you. So your capital is much protected when it comes to the EXNESS social trading than other copy trading platforms. And take note and remember that the profit you will get will depend on how much you invested, because EXNESS is going to do the calculation and then determine how much profit you will make. Just like somebody made 17 points whatsoever. Maybe another person made less than that. Another person made more than the 17, depending on how much each of you invested. So that is how the advantage or disadvantage of the EXNESS social trading is. So it is more safer with EXNESS social trading because you are going to get the profits coming in bits, and you are going to get the losses also coming in bits if they happen. And it is fair. It's just like shares from all the companies in the world. If you buy shares, if at the end of the calendar year or the billing period, if the company should make profit, you make profit. If the company should make loss, the loss will be shared among all of you. If the company make profits, the profit will be shared among all of you. So this is how EXNESS trading, social trading is all about, or how it goes. So it is better in that way because, trust me, there is no bank that you will give $100 to that within a week they will give you 16% profit. There's no way. And this is realistic. It is realistic. There is no, I don't know, maybe if there are companies like that, that's fine. But as I sit here, I don't know of any company that I can give my $100 to and within a week they will give me 16% profit. No. And this is just a week. As I speak now, I have made about $70 today. And the week hasn't today is just Monday. We have 4 more days to end the week. If it continues that way, at the end of the week, whatever profit I'm going to make is going to be shared equally among the investors. So it is good that at the end of the month, it is possible you can get above 30 to 50% profit on your investment. And if you are making more than 50% on your investment every month, there is no company in Ghana or anywhere you are, I don't know if there is one, then you tell me, that can be giving you that passive income every month whilst you go about your duties. Whilst you go about your duties. Only come at the end of the month and see your money, your investment, giving you 50%. So this is how it is when it comes to EXNESS social trading. It is different from the other brokers' copy trading. So this is also another reason I am finding it difficult to accept the other offer from the other broker. Because the other offer from the other broker is the one that if I lose 50, you will lose 50. Individually, each of you will lose 50, 50, 50, 50. If I make 50, each of you will make 50, 50, 50. But that one too, the disadvantage on the part of you, the investor, is that if I, the master, I have $100 in my account and I have lost almost 90, about to lose the whole 100, I can decide to top up my account and you will not know. So assuming I'm losing 90, I've decided to add another 100. So my equity or my total balance is now 200. Yours is still 100. You didn't know I have topped up. So at the end of the day, when the trade goes against me more than $100, you are going to have nothing in your account. It means your account is going to go zero. And I will still be hanging on with my own because I have topped up without your knowledge. So maybe the trade may go against me up to $120 and then return and come back to profit. By that time, you are totally gone. Your account has been wiped out already. So that is the disadvantage of the other. It's a disadvantage. I am not saying it is not good, please. That is the disadvantage of the other copy trading platforms. The master can choose to top up in your absence without your knowledge. And at the end may end up being profitable. You, the copier or the investor, will lose everything. But with the EXNESS social trading, the master may lose more, you will lose less. That is the advantage. If I can choose to make more, I'll make more profit, you will make less. I'll make more losses, you will make less. So if I make $100 profit, the $100 is going to be shared among 30 investors. If I make $100 loss, the $100 loss is going to be shared among 30 investors. So I will lose more or gain more, whilst you will lose less or gain less, and which make your capital or investment more secured. So EXNESS care more about your investment. So this is how different it is. And I can choose to top up and it will not affect you. I can choose to add more money into my investment and it will not affect you. Because if I lose big, that big I will lose will only be shared among you. So it means before the 30 of you will lose your capital, because look at it. This will make sense, right? Before the 30 of you, because these 30 investors, their total capital is $3,026. Before the 30 of you will lose your $100 each, it will take me $3,000 loss for you to also lose $100. Do you get it? So if I continue topping up, I need to get an equity of $3,000 before each of you will lose $100. So it means indirectly, I'm going to lose more. You will lose less. Do you get it? So EXNESS is always protecting you. If I choose to top up, you don't have anything to worry. I will be losing more. Before you will lose your $100, I have to lose $3,000. So EXNESS cares about you. You get it? So that is how this EXNESS social trading is all about. And that is why I believe when I studied the whole copy trading thing and I did the whole analysis, I felt, no, EXNESS cares about you. So let me go for that one. It's much better. You get it? So I am sure I have finally answered all your questions about how to withdraw. Now you know that the billing period will decide when you receive your commission or your profits. So at the end of the billing period, mine is, I think it's monthly or so. At the end of the billing period, but you can be checking. If you check the billing period, you know when. Automatically, your profits will come into your investment wallet. Then you can withdraw it to wherever you want to withdraw. If you want to stop copying, once you click on stop copying, your investment will return to your wallet, which is your investment wallet. Then you can withdraw if you want to withdraw. So anytime you want to check your investment, you have to go to the strategy profile. When you go to the strategy profile, which is leading Forex, once you go there, because I have shared the link with you, so you have the link. Not everyone will have the link. You have the link. I have given you the link. So once you go there, you'll be able to see the profile of the strategy. And because you are copying, once you go there, you see the profile. And then you can be able to check and know how much you are getting, when that money is going to land in your account. And that is good for you, right? Now, if you want to make more profits, then it means you have to top up or add more investment. So if you also want to reinvest your profit, then it means when they give you your profit in your wallet, you have to bring it back into the investment. Then it means you are adding more investment. If you want to reinvest your profits at the end of every billing period, then it means when you receive your profits, you have to bring it or add it into your investment. Then it means your investment will do what? Will increase. Is that okay? So that is it. That is all. I think I have answered questions about this whole EXNESS social trading thing. Please, again, those of you who are eligible, I have told you, take advantage of this. This is 2025. We mean business. We want to do something exceptional. Let's do it together. Invest. The minimum is $100. Deposit into your EXNESS account. When you deposit, then you transfer the money into your investment wallet. When you transfer the money into your investment wallet, then you now get in touch with me for the link. I have given you the number already, how to get in touch with me. The number is +233 246 136609. +233 246 136609. That is my WhatsApp number. Please do not call. WhatsApp me and I'll give you the link. Now, again, let me say this finally. Some of you have turned me into an agent of EXNESS or a customer service of EXNESS. I am not a customer service of EXNESS. This information I am sharing with you, I have also inquired from them before giving it to you. So if you want someone to give you clarity on whatever you want to do, EXNESS, their live chat is the best place to go. Go to their live chat and chat them. The agents are there. They are ready to give you every answer to your question. These answers I am giving to you, I also got it from them. So I am not their customer service. I am only using a service of theirs, which I am explaining to you. So if for any reason you want to go behind, what if I'm lying to you? What if all these I'm saying are lies? So it means you believe in my lies just like that. That is why they have the live chat on their platform. Chat them, chat the agents, chat the customer care and ask them questions and they will give you the right answers. Don't always want to come to ask me, Kofi, I'm going to Kofi to ask him. I know you trust me. Yes, that is why you are asking. But I need some kind of peace of mind to be able to concentrate on the investment that you have invested. I need to be able to trade so that you will make profit. But if my whole day is engaged with you and questions and I have to answer, what time will I get to concentrate to trade for you to make profit? So please, I'm begging all of you. I am not saying don't ask me questions, but when questions are becoming too much, you know, please. Already I'm dealing with a lot of people. So please do minimize your questions. This is the third video I'm doing about this copy trading. Make sure if you have any question, watch all the 3 videos. There are things I said in video 1, video 2, and I have not said it in video 3. So when you watch the other 3 videos about the copy trading thing, I'm sure you will understand better. Please, thank you for understanding. God be with us all.